Welcome back to another video. Today we got the March parking lot sale from Harbor Freights. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got the $39.99 hot dog compressor, and then we got some these are the regular items that they're on sale catalog, or the from my previous video. I will leave a link up above for that video. Looks like we got some creepers there, roller seats. We got some vehicle dollies. I gotta say that this parking lot sale, they got some good stuff. I mean, and they do, just to let you guys know, they do have that jack, those jacks, the green, black, and orange for $82. So just to let you guys know, if you guys don't see it at the store, you could always order that item. Because I don't think every store has all those colors. They probably just have orange. Let's see here. We got some garden equipment right there. Power sprayer there. Pressure washer. We got some tools. Some batteries. Let's go to the open box item area. Seems like we got some compressors right there. We got $125 for this. So I spoke to the lady, and she said that tomorrow opening, when the store opens, that's when they're gonna be half price. But at another store I went to, they told me 2 o'clock. So it just depends on the store and the store manager, I guess. So that's pretty much, you know, what they said. But yeah, I was actually surprised to see how much products they have, open box items. Not just on this store, but on the other store they had them. Sorry about the camera. Alright. Yeah, they got a lot of items. That those Viking batteries there too in the back, jumper starters. You got a bunch of power tools there. Oh, that's a nice Brett nailer from Banks, Zurich. I'm always curious to open up these cases, see what I find inside. That's the Pierce nailing, framing nailing gun. For $50, I mean, you can't beat it. It's a fairly good price. Seems like Harbor Freight is marking down their prices, so they want to get rid of their stuff. So there's another compressor right there. 2 compressors. As a matter of fact, they took one of these red ones. Somebody just took one of those red ones when I was pulling up to the store, and that's the smaller one right there. We got some welders. As you can see, the prices, they are lower than before. So that's a titanium welder. It's a nice welder. Then they got those generators there. So those are gonna be some sweet deals for tomorrow. I mean, that generator, if it's $350, it's gonna be what, $375, $175. It's gonna be a killer deal. Well, hopefully we can find some of these deals tomorrow. I'll definitely, if I get any of these deals by tomorrow, I will be making a video for those. If I get anything. Here's the second store that we visited. Seems like we got some carts there, some 30-inch 5-drawer. We got some more generators. Those are nice generators. I mean, I wish I could get my hands into one of these. You know, have it as a backup unit in case the electric goes out, or if I want to charge my batteries, because I do have a solar system. Oh, these are nice jacks. There's actually the one on the left. It's $65. So just to let you guys know, tomorrow they're gonna be half price. So hopefully one of these will be there by tomorrow. If not, then oh well, maybe next time. But yeah, great deals there. And this gray one's $50. It's framing nailers from Banks. Those are the Chicago Electric. And then you got some Hercules. If you guys need some Hercules, always look for that Hercules and the Bauer. So they got on this one. They got a whole bunch of Hercules. I'm just waiting to get this 50% off. See if I can get my hands into at least one of these small ones. These 12 volts. And I got some nice tools this time. I gotta say that. I got another jack down there. Some more framing nailers and Banks and Pierce. Some welders, the Vulcan welders. These are nice welders. Then they got this one in the box, the 165. It's a 215, and that's the 165. They've got some more circular saws there, some more power tools. That's another Bauer drill right there. So all these items are going to be sweet deals for tomorrow. 50% off. Angle grinder right there, Bauer angle grinder for 31, so it's going to be 15 tomorrow. You got a heat gun right there. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.